communication backpack from the 2002 Classic Collection G.I. Ski Extreme Mission Set. That's a mouthful. Since I've been doing a lot of communication gear, I figured I'd show this one. It came with the Ski Extreme Mission Set. It had two little holes on the side here, probably for something else. It was probably included in another set. But since it's a communication backpack, I thought it would go nicely with it. The straps are large enough to fit any size figure, which is pretty cool. And these little smoke canisters or something fit really nicely in here, although they're not supposed to be in there. But why not? So let's take a closer look at it now. And here it is set up. The headphones fit really nicely. They're pretty tight. And for a fuzz head. And the backpack unit sits up, although you have to kind of prop it on the straps to get it to sit up right. But I really like this backpack. It's pretty cool. Satellite dish comes off and it fits here above the screen. Then the headset has its own little holder place. Then the keyboard sits up and then the backpack closes. And then you're all set and ready to go to your next mission. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.